One person is going to have that nice greeting. Hello, I am Linda Sanderson with the American Red Cross. We're here installing 3 smoke alarms. Keep an eye on when you fry. Don't walk away, and if something happens in your fire, put a lid on it. You'll talk to them about an escape plan. The idea is to have that conversation and have them thinking, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, it's smoky, you can't see, where are you going to go? Look out my front door. There's a wall of smoke there. Where are you going now? Having that conversation, which is something that our educators are going to do. The key is making sure that the individuals know more than one way out of their home. If that involves opening a window they haven't opened in 5 years to see if it opens, fantastic. None of this is rocket science, but it's putting fire safety back in the forefront of people's minds.